A paper label wraps only the curved wall of a tin, but a closed tin needs that wall plus both circular ends. Same cylinder, 2 answers. Which one did the question ask? Slice the curved wall and lay it flat. You get a rectangle. One side is the circumference of the base, 2 pi r, and the other side is the height h. Curved surface area, CSA for short, is just that rectangle's area, 2 pi r times h. A label, a pipe's outer wall, or paint on the curve alone all use this. Total surface area, or TSA, adds the 2 end circles. Each end is the base disk, so both ends contribute 2 of those, and the neat form is 2 pi r times open parenthesis h plus r close parenthesis. Volume of a cylinder, V for short, is pi r squared times height, the base disk times how tall it stands. Capacity and melting use volume. Paint uses a surface. An open-top tank drops the missing lid. You still paint the curved wall and the base. That is CSA plus 1 end, or pi r times open parenthesis 2h plus r close parenthesis. Find the total surface area of a closed cylinder with radius 7 cm and height 10 cm, using pi as 22/7. Write total surface as 2 pi r times h plus r. Here that is 2 pi times 7 times 17. Finish the arithmetic with the cancel. Put in 22/7. The 7 cancels, leaving 2 times 22 times 17. That is 748 square centimeters. 748 square centimeters. The trap. Stopping at the curved surface alone gives 440. Same cylinder, wrong surface. When the radius is a multiple of 7, take pi as 22/7 so the 7 cancels before any other arithmetic. That is why SSC loves radius 7, 14, 21. Curved surface is 2 pi r h, the unrolled wall. Total surface is 2 pi r times h plus r wall plus both ends. Read open or close before you substitute. Next video, build slant height from Pythagoras. Drill the cylinder set in the ExamMaster app.